Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna capture that sign real quick. Okay, so we're down here in Senado Square, and it looks like there's some musician playing over here in the corner. So I am going to try to navigate over there. Kind of new. I don't really know about this, but it looks like they're promoting Macau. she's saying hi to somebody behind me, but it looks like it's like she's saying hi to me. So they got crystal shops, all kinds of cool stuff in here. So this is kind of new, something a little bit different. I've never been in here before, so. So I am going to navigate out, and I'm just going to kind of navigate around. This street is actually a little bit short, but this is the kind of a famous, there's a post office over there, but I'm going to keep my camera straight. And then this one is the one of the first buildings in Macau. And it's also a missionary, like a orphanage. So they would do things for kids. Good lighting. So let me just kind of highlight that building right there. So that one's the first ones, and there's a bishop. Actually, I've filmed inside there. I've actually been up to the top. It's open in the daytime. You could go inside, and there's a museum devoted to some of the history in this area. But I'm going to focus more on this beauty of this particular street. Okay. They were doing some construction on this street earlier. Okay. That's actually called the Farmacia Popular. And I think that has a lot of history as well. I'm going to capture that sign real quick. So yeah, a lot of history in this area. Down behind this building, there are kind of like some marketplaces, which I filmed before a few times, many times. I'm gonna kind of come up in this way a little bit. So the Senado Square is going to end up there at Sao Domingo's, so that's why I'm kind of taking my time and going slow. So yeah, this is a good spot. This used to be a normal regular street with cars that are parked at the side of the road. And then they made it all pedestrian and they put this nice black and white tiles. So if I can find an older photo, I'll put it in here so you can see what it used to look like. This comes up to Sao Domingo's. Then Sao Domingo's would be a whole other area to film with a different street name. But our target street was this one. Okay. So yeah, if you're gonna visit Macau, this is where you need to go. Search out Senado Square, and also search out St. Dominic's, Sao Domingo's right there. Just kind of see here. There's a museum in here too. Okay, so this is Sao Domingo Street, Sao Domingo's Church, and then Senado Square would have been that one right over there. And on that note, I'm going to end the video. And